guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to disable pop-up irritating ads on your any Samsung Galaxy devices. In this video now I am going to show you. So for this guys, I am going to show you 4 to 5 different methods to fix this problem. So last method is very important. So don't miss that last method. So let's get started. So when you're facing this type of problem, first you need to restart your device. Okay, after restarting, try this method. Open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, go to notifications. Okay, in the notification, here you can get the option more. Just tap on it. Okay, and here guys, scroll down and find out Samsung push notification services. Okay, if that app is not showing here, go back on the top. Here you can get the option most recently. Extend this. From here you need to select all. Okay, and scroll down and find out Samsung push notification services. As you can see, Samsung push services is here. Just simply you need to disable it. Okay, go back and restart your phone one more time. Now let's see it will fix your problem or not. Still, in case you're facing same type of problem, now you can try this next method. Now you need to open your Google Chrome browser on your phone. So if you are not a Samsung phone user, if you have any another phone like Redmi, Motorola, Asus, so if you are watching this video, you can also try this method. In the Chrome browser, tap on three dots, go to your settings. In the settings, scroll down and find out site settings. Okay, and scroll down and find out ads. Just open it. If the option is enabled, just you need to disable this option. After doing this guys, now hopefully this method will also work with you. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try this next method. Open your phone settings once again, scroll down and find out privacy option like this, and here you can get the option ad. Just open it. Here you need to delete your advertising ID, and also you need to reset your advertising ID. So try this both method one by one. Okay, after doing this guys, hopefully this method will also help with you. In case still you're facing same type of problem, now you can try this next method. Now you need to open the Google Play Store on your phone. On the top right side corner of your screen, you can get your profile picture. Just tap on it and open manage apps and devices and go to manage tab, and here you need to select recently updated option. Extend this, and here you need to select last use or most recently used option from here. Okay, if the unknown app is showing here, just you need to select it like this, and you need to uninstall from here. Okay, so you need to uninstall all application that you are not using or showing unnecessary on your phone. Install unnecessary on your phone, select it and uninstall it from your phone. Okay, after doing this guys, now still in case you're facing same type of problem guys, now you can try this last and final method. So this method will 100% work on your phone. So if you are not a Samsung phone user, also you can try this method. Open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, find out application manager or app management, or in some phone you can get only apps option. Just open it. Okay, like this. From here you need to select last used option like this and click on OK. From here you need to find out app without name. Just the app name is blank. If you have get that app, simply open that app. Just you need to uninstall that app from your phone. Okay, so in my case there is no app showing here. So guys, if you don't get any app on the most recently section, just you need to select all from here and select by name and click on OK. From here scroll down and find out any app without name is listed here or not. Scroll down till end. Okay, if you have find out any app without name, just simply you need to uninstall it from your phone. So this is the last and final method to fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. These are the easy and simple solution to fix if you are getting irritating ads on your Samsung phone or any other phone. So hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.